Hello guys, today we're going to be playing Squid Game in Roblox. So basically, it's like the TV show Squid Game, and we're going to try to survive and be the last people alive. Let's go in. We're registered, and we'll see you guys once we're in the game. Okay, we're now in, and how does this work? Just click select, yeah.
I can have to be a god by having Robux.
Okay. I think we have to wait for this timer to run out, and then we can go to the first game. I don't know. I don't remember how it works. So
Ever.
yeah, well, it should be over soon. Welcome
Finally.
participants to Squid Game X.
No one can see him anymore.
Okay. Complete all the game modes and be the last one standing to win the grand prize. Okay. That was crazy intro.
Yeah.
Does someone have a gun? What? This guy's a gun! Also, why am I spectating this person?
Yeah, same.
The glass maker is ooh. What? Wait, I'm so lost. They're able to tell which glass is real or fake. Wait, so is this like season 2? But I didn't watch Squid Game. Okay. So go through the door, take a photo.
I need to take a picture.
Photo taken. That's nice. So we can just go in now, I guess.
Run, let's go, baby, buddy, run.
Okay, Hamish. Don't die. That's so helpful.
Yeah, don't die.
It's gonna help us so much during these games. Okay.
Red light.
What? Who died? Wait, did anyone die? How did he die?
Green light.
No, not that guy.
Red light.
I think I'm cooked. I'm near the back. How are these guys so fast? And these guys are running in place. How are they not getting shot?
Look at the back. Red light.
Okay. I'm cooked. Hamish, where are you? Oh yeah, I see you. You're like right next to me.
Yeah. Red light. No.
Okay. It's fine. We have a whole minute and 20 seconds. Who is dying? Why are you trying to shoot me? Where are you shooting at? Okay. No, not pop cat.
Red light. Oh, actually, I think I'm making it.
Yeah, we're 100% making it. Oh, I'll take the money. Can I go back out or like, will I die? I can't go out. Hamish, you're dead. You can sprint, you know.
How? Oh, I see it.
No! Come on, Sonic Dino! No! Sonic Dino! Oh my days. Alright, let's go next game.
Rip them.
3 people died. Only 3. I'm pretty sure it's meant to eliminate more than 3 people, but it's fine.
Yeah, he's like 10.
Congratulations to the winners. Oh yay, total coins price increase. Let's go. It's $44 right now, I think. That's crazy. Can't wait to win that $44. Hey, we'll now proceed to another game mode. Let's go. Photo thingy. I thought this was the new game mode. Huh? What's that? What was that? Oh hell no. Punch. Hamish, where are you? Hamish, where are you?
I don't know.
Oh, Hamish.
I'm not remaining.
Run!
I'm sprinting as fast as I can.
Hamish, come to the corner. Come to the corner.
Which one? There's both corners. This one?
The one that you were just at.
Okay. Sprinting.
Okay, we should be chill. Oh, this guy's gonna come in. Oh, he failed.
Jump okay. I have cave for a little bit.
Alright, the time to defend this. Hamish, help me! Hamish, help me! Hamish, help me! Hamish, help me!
I don't think my head you kill me.
Oh, that was close. Hamish,
Yeah.
why are you just standing there? I don't think you could have done anything
I
there.
was AFK for a few seconds.
Okay,
Sorry.
that's okay.
We are TA.
Yeah, I think I'm the lowest person here. Well, that person's really low. I'm second lowest person. Let's go.
How do you see your
$69.
How do you see like who's like first, second, third row? Oh.
I'm just looking around, seeing what the health is. What the
Oh,
health is.
Yeah.
Red light, green light. Oh, so you're just there. No, chill. Please stop shooting.
Oh, cookie cut off. I think.
Pentalon. Oh, hell no. Alright, hopefully I don't get whatever that other one was. That was in that video I saw where this guy opened the cookie. It was actually a dream. And then it was like a really weird cookie shape. I don't want that one.
I want it. I want to see what it is. I don't know why though.
You don't want that, Hamish. I don't think it's even possible to cut that.
What is this though?
Hamish, go to the one on the left, or go to red on the left.
Yeah. I don't know. What is it called again?
Go to red. Let's go. Let's go, Spacey 89. We're about to, no, Spacey 89, come back. Hey, join this team. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we even in that team? We're not. Okay, we have to get somewhere else. Go here. Go here. Go here. We don't have anywhere else. There's nowhere else. There's only 4 people on the team. Yes. Look onto us. Bruh. I didn't want to exit because it might have died or something. Good luck.
Oh, people.
What is this?
What is this?
What is this? What? Huh?
What is this?
Yo, what?
I don't know.
Oh, are we in a team?
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
Oh, it's because 2 people.
Pattern play. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Where is
Get
the
away!
other player? Crap. Oh, that was crazy. That was crazy. That was crazy.
I want
Actually, him.
I'm not him. And I'm
Hey,
not
Mrs.
the-
Patterns or something. I don't know what your one is, but this one's stars.
Yeah, from stars.
Hamish, you have to do this in the time or we're dead. Come on.
What do you do?
I don't know. Yours is I don't know what that is. You have a certain task.
How do you know your task is?
I don't know. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Noughts and crosses? I don't know what that is. Come on, Hamish.
It's just
Oh, memorize the buttons. Middle. Click middle.
middle?
Yeah. Middle and top middle. Yes, copy that. Middle, top middle, middle. Middle, top middle, top middle. Nice. Middle, top middle, middle. Oh,
Okay.
right. Middle, top, middle, right. Middle, top, middle, right. Bottom left. Middle, top, middle, right, bottom left. Nice, okay. We won. Let's go. Yes.
Woohoo! Now,
Okay, guys, so you'll be shortly reaching the lobby. Okay, so that took so long. That took like 10 minutes of just waiting here.
Yeah,
I think only one group died, and that was in the last part, and they had like a few seconds left, and they messed up the memorize thingy. Yeah, so yeah, they died, and we made it. We only lost like 4 people then, so Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the glass maker? I don't understand what that means.
Congrats to the winners. The total coin prize has
Okay,
increased.
$96. Crazy.
So much money. You will now proceed to another game mode.
W.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome everyone. And every round the numbers announced. Okay. You need to gather the exact number of players in a room.
And I have to get the look it.
Rooms will only accept the correct number of players. I see, okay. So you have to get in with a certain
I'm
number of
taking
players.
the orange.
No, go in where everyone else is going. If you're in a room with the wrong number of players or you don't enter a room in time, you'll be eliminated. Okay, that makes sense, that makes sense, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So hey, so it says 2, then only 2 people can go in that room.
Okay.
Can't move right now. So. Just
I
waiting.
can't move.
How is that guy running the place? I don't understand how that works. Oh, what is it? What is it?
I can't jump.
Where's the number?
I don't know. I can't even jump.
Okay, go in this one. No!
Oh, yeah.
What?
Wait, how
One player
can you
needed.
move?
Close the door. What? One player needed! I was one player! Huh?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What?
I'm not bad.
Did the ghost?
I don't understand this.
I'm
I
running
think
in
it
this
needed
spot.
one more player. Oh, I see.
What?
It wanted one more player. She died too.
No, I can't even move yet.
What? What?
So I need two. So it needs 2 people.
Oh, you died, Hamish.
Yeah, I can't even move. Same as some other people.
No,
Let them
everyone's
other people-
moving.
No, but my husband are not.
You got... You're lagging or you got disconnected.
Someone else is also running on the spot.
That's because you got disconnected, Hamish.
Oh.
Or you died. Or, I don't know.
Yeah, I
You're lagging.
died.
Yeah.
Died.
Okay, so that is Roblox Squid Game. I think we kind of suck at it. Well, the instructions weren't that clear. Like, it never said like how many people you needed until I got in, and it said 1 player needed. I thought I was the 1 player, but it's fine. So we'll see you next time.
Yep.